In the heart of a bustling city, where fortunes gleamed like skyscrapers, lived Susie, a privileged girl born into wealth. She attended lavish parties and wore designer dresses, but her heart yearned for something more. In a modest neighborhood, there was Jack, a poor but hard-working young man. He had dreams, a guitar, and an unwavering spirit. His melodies filled the air every evening as he sang under the city's dim streetlights. One night, Susie strolled through the streets, drawn by Jack's soulful tunes. Their eyes met, and their worlds collided. Susie learned that true wealth lay in love and passion, not riches, while Jack discovered that love transcended social boundaries. Despite their differences, their love blossomed, inspiring them to chase their dreams together. Susie supported Jack's music, and he cherished her kindness. Through trials and triumphs, they proved that love, not money, was the ultimate destiny they'd both been searching for in the heart of the city.